Hi everyone, so today I am going to dig up some of the Annabelle hydrangea over here. As you can see, the whole side of the fence is full of Annabelle hydrangea. So what I'm going to do right now is dig up some of the Annabelle hydrangea over right here, and I'm replacing it with the PG hydrangea, which is this one right here. Well, let me show you. So this is the PG hydrangea grand flora. So it will grow up to 5 feet high and wide. So this would be great for privacy right here on this fence. And then I will plant the Annabelle hydrangea somewhere on the other side of my yard, which is on that side right there. So will be a few Annabelle hydrangea in there, and it will fill the bottom of the privacy fence. Alright, so join me as I dig some plants and plant some new variety of hydrangea here in the backyard. There you go. Wow, look how heavy is this. So now I have a space for my PG hydrangea. Let's try if I have enough space for it. Yeah, all right, that would be perfect right here now. It has plenty of space to grow, and all I have to do is add more dirt and compost, and then this plant is ready. As you see the soil in here, there's a lot of mud. So I better add some compost here. Oh, it's hard to dig. Oh wow, see the roots right here? There's a lot of compost actually under it. So this is ready to be planted. It's nice and healthy. Well, I think that's about it. Or I think it's too close to the fence. We'll see. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think that's good enough. now my PG hydrangea is planted. Can't wait to see it on the next spring. So these are the Annabelle hydrangea that I just dug up on that side of the fence right there, and now I am going to plant it over this side. This will cover the bottom side of the privacy fence, and it's going to look great in here. So as you come in on the gate, it will be the city line view, a city line Venice hydrangea, which is the color of it is either pink or blue, and then you'll have the white Annabelle hydrangea beside it. So I am going to do that right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to plant the Annabelle hydrangea in between this Diamantino, because I am not sure if that's going to grow this spring, because I just did a cutting for this one, and yes, I'm not sure if it's going to grow next year. So for sure, if that is not going to grow, I will have an Annabelle hydrangea that will bloom for the next season.